Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you a quick and professional way to remove apps from a folder on Android. First, unlock your phone and go to the home screen where your app folders are located. Tap on the folder to open it and view all the apps inside. Now find the app you want to remove, press and hold the app icon until it becomes selectable. Then simply drag the app out of the folder and release it on the home screen. The app will instantly be removed from that folder. You can also do this from the app drawer. Swipe up to open the app drawer, locate the folder and open it. Long press the app you want, drag it outside the folder and drop it anywhere on the screen. That's it. This method works on most Android phones including Samsung, Xiaomi and others. It is fast, simple and beginner friendly. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more Android tips and tutorials. Please share this video with your friends and stay tuned for more Android updates and tutorials daily tips.